Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the secrets of achieving glass skin. Discover the skincare tips, product recommendations, and lifestyle habits you need to achieve that coveted radiant and translucent complexion. Let's get started. Start your day with a glass of warm water infused with lemon or cucumber slices to detoxify and hydrate your body from within. Hydration is key to achieving that dewy, glass-like complexion. Nutrient-rich diet. Incorporate skin-loving foods like avocados, almonds, leafy greens, and berries into your meals. These foods are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that promote skin health and radiance. Hydrating skincare routine. Cleanse your face with a gentle hydrating cleanser to remove impurities without stripping natural oils. Follow up with a hydrating toner infused with hyaluronic acid to plump and hydrate your skin. Essence of hydration. Incorporate a hydrating essence into your skincare routine. Look for essences with ingredients like rice water, bamboo sap, or fermented extracts to deeply hydrate and brighten your complexion. Hydrogel Mask Magic. Treat yourself to a hydrogel sheet mask 2 to 3 times a week. Hydrogel masks adhere closely to the skin, delivering intense hydration and active ingredients for a luminous, glassy effect. Facial Steaming Ritual. Once a week, indulge in a facial steaming session with herbal infusions like chamomile or lavender. Steam opens pores, allowing your skincare products to penetrate deeper for maximum hydration and glow. Lightweight Moisturizer. Use a lightweight gel-based moisturizer formulated with hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, squalane, or glycerin. This ensures your skin stays hydrated without feeling greasy or heavy. Facial Massage Technique. Incorporate a facial massage technique using a jade roller or gua sha tool. Start from the center of your face and move outwards in gentle, upward strokes to promote lymphatic drainage and blood circulation, enhancing skin radiance. Sun protection. Never skip sunscreen during the day, even if you're indoors. Opt for a broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging, maintaining your glass skin's clarity and luminosity. Mindful hydration practices. Practice mindfulness and stress relief techniques such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga. Stress reduction plays a significant role in skin health and overall radiance. Beauty Sleep Ritual. Prioritize quality sleep of at least 7 to 8 hours each night. Sleep allows your skin to repair and regenerate, leading to a refreshed and glowing complexion in the morning. By combining internal hydration, nutrient-rich foods, a hydrating skincare routine, weekly treatments, facial massage, sun protection, mindfulness practices, and adequate sleep, you can nurture your skin from the inside out and achieve that coveted glass skin appearance.